Nice one. Nice one. Oh yeah, nice largie. Nice largie. That's probably so nerdy to the fishing world, saying a largie. Look at that beautiful largemouth. Oh, let me get him off. Come here, buddy. You are, boy, heavy. Can y'all see that guy? Oh, got him with the nedwacky.com mini creature bait. And he is a nice, boy, he's got a big old rip in his side. You getting a fight or what happened, bud? Man, and he's, looks like he's blind in that eye. That's a nice largemouth right there. Are you good in your other eye? Oh yeah, see his other eye's fine. Wow, beautiful fish, man. He's a big boy. Sweet, go home, buddy. Fish on, all right. All righty, we got us a smallie. Little smallie on the chartreuse mini Ned. Gotta let some of that line so I can get to it. Let me get you off, bud. Golly. All right. Little guy. Beautiful as the rest of them, though. Fish on, got us another one. Back to back. All right, got one a little bit bigger here. Let's get him in here and get him off. That wasn't even a 2-minute break between you and the last guy. Let's pop you off of here, bud. Man. Good night. All right, I'm gonna have to get the pliers. Sheesh. All right, another beautiful smallie. Fish on. That's number 3, and golly, 4 minutes. One day I'll just keep this camera rolling. Wow, there was a couple of smallies chasing after this little guy. They were trying to eat him or eat the bait. But they were fighting over the bait. They didn't look big enough to swallow him. Ah, come on. Dang it. That hook is buried in the side of his mouth. There we go. There you go. There's number 3. That was quick. Good one. Got a nice one on right here, guys. Oh my goodness, that's funny, man. That thing felt so much bigger. I'm gonna still call you a nice one because you're a beautiful smallmouth, but you ain't even a 1/3 or 1/4 the size I thought you would be. How does a fish this small tug that hard? Man, this little dude was tugging away. Look at him, he ain't but 7. Oh, man, right off the bat, got another one. This is number 5. We're sitting right now at about, where's he at? There he goes. Oh, what is this? A perch, a sunfish, huh? All right. I like the mixed species thing happening. I like it. So we've got 4 smallies so far and this one sun perch here. Whoop. Beautiful colors. Open that mouth up, buddy, so I can show you off. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Go home. Not to me, though, so I'm done with it. All right, we got a fish on immediately. There we go. Guy here looks like a largemouth. Nope, that's a smallie. All right, beautiful fish. right off the bat, got him on the sloppy sandwich mini creature bait from nedwacky.com. That thing always works, always. Really pretty fish. All right, bud, go home. Let's get it out there again. Got us another one. Boy, back to back. Same size. Almost looks like the same fish. Oh man, that creature bait, man. And sloppy sandwich is the bomb. I gotta let some slack out so I can take this dude off. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, I know. Come here. Get him off of here. Get you back home, bud. Man, it. Fish on. He didn't give me much tug, but he's a tiny dude. Little 6-incher here. Quite a bit bigger than half the dudes watching this video. All right, that was bad. Had to, sorry. Got a nice one. So he's gonna drag the kayak all over the creek. Oh, he got off, you're kidding me. Oh, what a bummer. Got him. All right. All right. Worth waiting for. What we got there? Rock bass. All right. Got us a nice rock bass out of the hole. We picked up, I think, 4 smallies. Maybe 3. I think 4, though. You're a nice size Rocky. Yeah. Rockies don't get too big, but he's a little bit bigger than average. All right, this is an interesting spot we just came up on. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave the kayak right there and do a little bit of wade fishing over here. And then we'll jump in and head downstream right here. See what we can get into. This looks like it would be a hot spot, but we'll see. Nothing on that cast. Well, got hit immediately, but yep. Yes. Right off the bat, man. This is definitely a good spot. Another smallmouth on the mini creature bait from nedwacky.com. Hey, buddy, you about to go home, don't worry. Get you back in there. These fish, man, they know exactly where home is. Oh, he ripped an arm off. He tore it, man. He took a chunk out of this sucker. Let's get it in there again. See if we can't grab another one. Yep, we got another one. Man, that was quick, wasn't it? All right, I definitely found a good spot. I thought this spot would produce with that. Anytime you get into this flowing water where the creek splits and it forces the water into a narrower inlet and it's moving, but not like rapidly moving, and it's shaded, Man, you're gonna get smallies. You're gonna probably get a lot of different species, but smallies are gonna be in there. All right, that's 2 right off the bat. Let's get us a 3rd. Why not, huh? No point in getting in the boat and going upstream if we can have fun right here for a minute. Yep, that's number 3. Oh my goodness, look at that. You know, I thought if I got in a kayak, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right here because it would, oh, this is a better one than the other 2. Well, yeah, a little bit bigger, thicker, stronger. But I was afraid if I got in a kayak, it was gonna just take me upstream too quick and I would miss the spot. That's why I got out. I'd love to hear from you guys, and what would you have done? Would you have got out right here and fished? Would you have just been, hey, I'm gonna take it upstream. It's got some flowing water. That's fun in the kayak, because it is. What would you have done? All right, that's number 3. So that's 4 casts. When the water's pulled up and, but that feels like a fish. If it is, he's little. Yep, it sure is. Let's say, yep. He's so tiny I didn't feel him hit. All right, well, let's send it a couple more times. Good one, nice. A nice little smallie. Oh man, under the boat. Come up, buddy. There we go. Oh, man. Oh boy, you are finned up, pissed off. Let me get that hook out of your mouth, man, and you can go free. Is that in the woods behind me, man? I keep hearing animals. Beautiful fish. All right, we're out of the boat again. We came up on a little bend in the creek, a little bit of flowing water, and a big old pool up in front of us. So we're gonna see what's up over here. This looks like a really good spot. I could be wrong, but it sure looks good. Fish on, first cast immediately. Oh, I knew this spot was gonna rock. Oh, that's a good one too. Yes. Boy, what is it with this pole, man? I am not used to this pole. You sure felt a lot bigger than you are, but you're not the only one today who's either hit really hard or it's just me and this pole. You're not near as big as I thought you'd be, but you're still beautiful. All right. Let's